Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Channel. I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex. It's good to be here with you.
If English feels scary, breathe. We make it simple and friendly.
Please subscribe, tap like, and share this with a friend who is learning. Thank you.
Today's topic is small but powerful. How to start a conversation.
The first words are the key. We'll show easy lines, soft humor, and polite exits.
Let's warm up with greetings. The classics are hello and hi.
Time of day greetings. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Remember, good night is for leaving, not for starting.
Mini practice. Repeat after us. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Great. Now add a friendly question. How are you?
Answers are, I'm good, I'm great, I'm okay, not bad. Then ask, how about you?
Tiny role play.
Hi, Mia. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm great today.
If it's a new person, introduce yourself.
I'm Alex. Or, my name is Alex.
Ask, what's your name?
Then say, nice to meet you.
Reply, nice to meet you too.
Easiest small talk topic, the weather.
Lines are, it's a beautiful day. Or, it's a bit cold today. Or, looks like rain.
Replies, yes, it is. Totally. Or, I hope it clears up later.
Quick scene, park bench.
Good morning. It's sunny today.
Yes, beautiful. Perfect for a short walk.
Second safe topic, the situation or place you share.
Lines are, is this the line for coffee? Or, is this seat free? Or, is this your first time here?
These are soft, polite, and natural.
Third tool, a kind compliment.
I like your bag. Or, nice watch. Or, cool notebook.
Keep it simple and sincere. No personal comments about body.
And the magic reply is, thank you.
Let's glue it all together. Coffee shop line.
Hi, are you in the line for coffee?
Yes, it smells amazing in here. Oh, nice headphones.
Thanks. I use them for language podcasts. I'm Alex.
I'm Mia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
4 tiny steps. Greeting, situation, compliment, names.
Now, we keep the talk alive with follow-up questions.
Use short what, where, when, why, how questions.
What do you recommend here?
How's your day going?
Where are you headed today?
Add softeners. By the way, do you mind if I ask?
Listener practice. Repeat. Hi, I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you. How's your day?
It's good. I'm just getting coffee. How about you?
Tone matters. Smile a little. Your voice sounds warmer.
Tiny humor is safe. Example. Long line today.
Yes, more time to practice English.
Another starter is shared activity.
In class, what page are we on?
At the gym, is this machine free?
In the library, do you know where the grammar books are?
In a park? Nice day for a walk.
Quick pronunciation help. Comfortable turns comfortable.
Vegetable turns vegetable.
Often turns often or often, both okay.
Clear and calm is enough.
Let's do a bigger role play. Bus stop.
Hello.
Hi there.
Good evening. Is the number 12 bus late today?
Maybe a little. It's usually on time.
The weather changed fast, didn't it?
Yes, warm this morning, cold now. By the way, I'm Mia.
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you heading home?
Yes, I'm going to read and relax. You?
Same plan. A book and hot tea. Lovely rhythm. Short lines, friendly questions, safe topics.
Now, how to enter a group conversation politely.
At work, hi everyone. Mind if I join?
In class, is this seat okay?
At events, hi, I'm new here. What should I not miss?
Add a smile and a small wave.
Let's practice an office kitchen scene.
Morning. Coffee or key?
Tea, please. Thank you. I'm Mia.
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
You too. Busy day?
A little, but coffee helps. Before we continue with study groups, events, and online chats, a quick request. If this is helping, please subscribe, tap like, and share. Help us reach 100,000 learners.
Thank you. Your support keeps lessons free and friendly.
Okay, study group starters next, then events, online talks, active listening, and kind exits.
We'll begin with study groups right after this line. Okay, study groups.
Starters. Did you understand the homework?
Do you want to practice together later?
What did the teacher say about the quiz?
Role play. Study hall.
Hi, do you know where the listening practice is?
Yes, on the website under week 3. I'm Mia.
I'm Alex. Thanks. Want to review together before class?
Sure. 10 minutes is perfect.
Now, events. Talks, meetups, parties.
Use the place as the topic. What did you think of the talk? How did you hear about this event?
Which session are you most excited about?
Role play language meetup.
Hello. Is this seat free?
Yes, go ahead. I like your notebook.
Thanks. I collect phrases. What brings you here?
I want to practice speaking more.
Same. Maybe we can practice together later. Online conversations also count.
Start simple. I liked your post about study tips. What app do you use?
Thanks. I use a timer app. Do you use one?
Kind, short, and clear.
Active listening keeps people talking.
Use backchannel words. Oh, right. I see. Really? Wow.
Reflect. So, you started last month?
Confirm. You prefer tea, right?
These show attention without long speeches.
Tiny yes and game.
I like morning walks.
Yes, and I like evening walks when the air is cool.
I cook pasta on Sundays.
Yes, and I make soup on rainy days.
Common mistakes to avoid when starting.
Don't ask very personal questions first.
Don't talk for 5 minutes without a pause.
Don't correct every small grammar mistake. This is conversation, not an exam. Do keep it light, polite, and curious.
Full practice. Museum lobby.
Good afternoon. Is this the line for tickets?
I think so. It moves fast.
Great. I like your camera. Nice color.
Thanks. I'm learning photography. I'm Mia.
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you here for the art show?
Yes. First time. What are you excited to see?
The light room. It looks beautiful.
If we get lost, we can ask a guide.
Good idea. Oh, my friend just arrived. It was nice talking to you.
You too. Enjoyed the show.
You as well. Bye.
Perfect flow. Greeting, gentle question, compliment, names, small talk, kind exit.
Screenshot this starter menu.
Hello. Hi. Good morning.
How's your day going?
Is this seat free?
Is this the line for blank.
Nice blank. Bag, shoes, watch.
What do you recommend here?
Is this your first time here?
I'm blank. What's your name?
Nice to meet you.
And this exit menu.
It was nice talking. I have to go.
Enjoy your day.
See you around. Listener practice. Repeat after us.
Hello. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm okay. By the way, I'm Alex.
I'm Mia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Is this your first time here?
Yes, I'm excited.
Me too. Enjoy the event.
You too.
If today's lesson helped, even a tiny bit, please subscribe to English Channel and help us reach 100,000 learners.
Tap like, share this episode, and invite a friend to practice with you.
Homework. In the comments, write a 4-line first meeting dialogue using today's phrases.
We read and reply. Your practice matters.
May your English open new doors. More friends, more ideas, more joy.
Keep smiling, keep speaking, keep growing. Thank you for being with us.
See you in the next episode. Bye for now.